What's up, guys? Yes, I am at a drag strip. Can you believe it? I'm actually gonna drive it fast today as we promote at the end of every video. All kinds of cars out here. Holy hell. That was a Porsche Panamera Turbo, I think. We'll have to take a look at that later. Woo. But yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. I'm right here in the background. I'm not lying to you. So just doing some final checks, but hosted by Restomods. So I know I've mentioned Restomods in the past, but they have their giveaway car right here. It's a Charger. They're parking right behind me. I'll go scope that out in a minute, but yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. So hang out, enjoy, leave some comments. I'm a rookie, so shut the hell up if you're gonna make fun of me. See ya. The Charger giveaway car. I love the flat black. Give me some ideas. Love this Charger. We might go head to head. Everything's here. The GT3 is my favorite car, dream car right here. Ooh, man. Hey, work in progress Mustang. Look at the flop in the paint. Isn't that nuts? Ooh. So work in progress. I see all taped up. Looking forward to seeing this run. Not low enough. Of the effects, everything's here. M2 right there. Another giveaway car for Restomods. Get her done.
Seen a lot of cars out here today. Not that impressed with all the German manufacturing going down the track. How many World Wars have they won? Big zero. Undefeated World War champs, baby. That 1969 Camaro looking real good. All it needs is some red, white, and blue, and that thing will definitely run at least a 5.9. 5.9.
All right, guys, here goes nothing. Major tire spin. Oh my God, what a blast. Dodge TRX. It's like 700 horsepower or something like that. We'll have to look that up.
Alright, I'm gonna film you. Have you seen?
Look at this tire sticking to the ground. 10:35. At least I beat that in my first run.
I didn't think they timed it if you red lighted, did they?
Oh, they red lighted?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Like what was it?
Apparently red lighted, so it doesn't count. Never mind, take back what I said. Run number 2. Man, I can't get used to the launch. Tires spin like crazy. Guess we'll see what time I got. It's got to be better than 10.
To your right when you pulled up, and then I got you like low level view going out. Is that good? You want me to do it again?
Put on the tripod.
That's fine. Huh?
For my time?
Yeah. I think your time was. I actually didn't see it. I'll make sure I check it this time.
Okay.
Okay, so let's make sure we get that going then. Let's wrap up SOS and then we'll try to get them going.
Get you here, then you go first.
Here we go, run number 3. Let's see it. I don't know. I can't keep the wheels from spinning. Nice choppy chop.
671 again.
All right, run number 5. Well, that was fun. Still spinning the tires like crazy. Okay, one more time. One more time. My best run. There's that last run. 914 if you can see it. 914. So pretty happy with that. And the car's still together. Alright guys, it's a wrap. I'm calling it quits. I have 6 or 7 runs. I lost track. I got the time slips in my pocket. You saw my best one was 914. Pretty cool. I'm still spinning my tires. Damn it! So man, what a great time. So as the saying goes, build them fast, drive them faster. See you next time.